safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Voice communication with the use of mobile phones is prohibited when the cabin doors are closed. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins as heavy items may have moved during the flight. Mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo at hintay matanggal ang ilaw sa fasten seatbelt sign bago tumayo para kunin ang iyong mga kagamitan. Nais din namin ipalam sa inyo ang paggamit ng palikuran sa mga sandaling ito ay mahigpit na ipinagbabawal. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team, headed by a flight deck crew, Captain Naluna and First Officer Panganiban, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific. Once again, we ask that you keep your area clean and tidy. Kindly clear your seat pockets of any remaining litter, and please bring this with you as you leave your seats. You may dispose this in the bins near the exits. We seek your cooperation in ensuring that no litter is left behind the aircraft. For guests needing assistance, such as wheelchair, you're advised to plane nest using the forward door only. Muli para sa mga panauwi nangangailangan ng karagdagang tulong katulad ng wheelchair, kayo pong huling bababa ng eroplano. Maraming salamat po. Your cabin crew will be standing up momentarily to do a safety-related procedure. Passengers, please remain seated. Manatili po munang nakaupo. Maraming salamat po.